Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell branded print-on-demand products in Shopify with the Gelato Print-on-Demand app. This is super powerful. You're going to be able to sell brands like Champion, Under Armour, Bella Canvas, so many more. It's really, really cool, really powerful. And it's all based on print-on-demand, the number one business model online today. And nothing even comes close. You get to sell hundreds of different products like these big brand apparel items that I'm going to show you, home goods, art, personalized products, and so much more without ever touching any of the inventory, without ever paying for anything up front, without ever dealing with warehousing or shipping or employees, zero upfront cost, and you never deal with shipping. And that's why we love doing print on demand. It's the new way to do e-commerce. And this is what you see on the screen right now, the old way, right? Lots of risk where you go to a wholesaler and you have to pay for products up front and you have to order, 5 small, 5 large, 5 medium, 5 black, 5 red, 5 orange, right? You want to have all these different sizes in stock and then you have to store them somewhere and ship them out yourself. That's the old way. We're not going to do that. We're doing the new way, the correct way to do e-commerce now, which is print on demand. And you have your Shopify store and you create products through Gelato, the print on demand app. I'll show you exactly how this works. You add those products into your store, and just like any other product, customers can come into the store and purchase those products and, of course, pay you for those products. And that's kind of the light bulb moment right here. It's a cash flow positive business. We're able to collect money from customers before we even pay for a product, and we never even need to touch the product because automatically Gelato, in this case, will go ahead and produce the product, ship it out to the customer. They'll even provide the tracking number on your behalf. It's fully automated. It's a super simple process. All you need is the 100% free Gelato print-on-demand Shopify app. You see the link directly below this video, and it has everything that you need to crush it with print-on-demand. Simple 4-step process. Number 1, install the free app. You see the link directly below this video. You'll be able to browse through their catalog. We'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how this works. You basically add your print-on-demand designs onto the products that you want. For example, Under Armour t-shirts or Bella Canvas shirts or tank tops or Champion hoodies. And then you add those products into your store in one click. And we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to teach you step-by-step exactly how to do this and how to pick the best branded products that are going to sell like crazy. Okay, I'm inside of my Gelato account. Of course, you could sign up totally for free. And I highly recommend Gelato as your print-on-demand partner of choice. You're going to get production in 32 countries. There's over 140 different print providers across those countries, making sure that you're always going to have amazing high-quality prints delivered wherever your customers are. 90% of all orders are produced locally, and 90% of orders arrive within 5 days of placing the order. So Gelato is a number one choice when it comes to print-on-demand. All you need to do, you go inside the product catalog inside your account. This is where you're able to add all these different products into your store. And there are so many high-quality print-on-demand products here with Gelato, tons and tons of great categories. I'm going to show you some different brands. And we could scroll through here and take a look at some big brands, for example, American Apparel. Right, so we could check that off, and we'd actually be able to have American Apparel products added into our store. For example, this long-sleeve American Apparel t-shirt. Right, so it's a brand that people trust, a brand that people like, and then we could put our print-on-demand design on top of it. Okay, we'll take a look at some other brands. As we scroll through here, you see Bella Canvas, super popular, Champion, really, really popular, right? This is a popular brand that now you get to have your design on. And I'll show you with Under Armour, it's going to work the same way. But you'll notice immediately, right, that world-famous Champion logo is going to be on your print-on-demand t-shirt. Over here is going to be where we put our print-on-demand design. And maybe you're selling shirts about cats and you put a cat design on here, but you also get to have that Champion brand. So it's a really unique situation here where we're building our own brand, but also leveraging the power of some of these really, really massive brands out there. You see Nike over here. You see Next Level. Right, we can scroll down here. We see other big names. Of course, coming down, we have Under Armour. So lots of different options, right? And you see over here men and women, in this case for Under Armour. Got that world-famous logo right over here. So it's super, super powerful. This product will be customized just like any other print-on-demand product. We'll be able to go ahead and add in our design and add it into our store. Show you exactly how to do that as we jump into the designer. And this is going to be where, of course, you see right over here, this men's athletic crew neck Under Armour shirt. we see the Under Armour on the sleeve automatically. We can go ahead and add in our design. And you see there are some different color options as well. Depends on really what you want to offer in your store. See that they update over here in terms of the mock-up. We're going with the black one over here. And we'll simply click drop your design here. You'll add your print-on-demand design here. So as you see, I added in this little dog nut design. And, it's really, in this case, going to be for a dog lover t-shirt, but on that Under Armour branded product. Really powerful. Again, you saw the other brands you could do that with inside of Gelato. Now everything else just kind of works the same way. We're going to go ahead and select our mock-up. I'm going to make sure I select one that showcases the Under Armour logo over there to make sure that everyone can see it immediately, and come over here and go to the next steps. The details, this is going to be where we fill in all of our product details like product title and product description. So we'll come over here and I'll put dog nut, dog lovers, Under Armour t-shirt. And we could add in some things over here. Perfect for dog lovers. And you could add some formatting here. You have full control over what you want to put in the description and in the title. We'll add the size table automatically as well. Scroll down here. You could add tags or set it into collections in your store if you want. We'll go off into the prices section. This is going to be where we set up our retail price. And I'm going to come over here and set it to $55. You see, we're going to make about $30 every single time we sell this product. Here's our cost, here's our shipping, and here's what we're going to sell it for. And again, we get to sell it for more than a normal shirt in this case because we have that world-class Under Armour brand or whatever brand you pick. Again, we're building our own brand for sure, but we get to piggyback on top of these really popular apparel brands to have some high-quality garments. So we're now over here in the review. We're just going to see all the summary here. We got our variant and we got our price and we got all that great stuff. I'm now going to press publish, and this is going to send that product into my store. And it's super, super easy to do this. You could do it with really any type of branded product that you want. And you come over here and literally just look through all of these different type of catalogs and different products and different big brands, and you'll be able to add them into your store super easily. Okay, so this product was now automatically created in my Shopify store. I could show you it in the live store now. You see we've got that image that we selected as our primary, showcasing that Under Armour logo. We've got our title, we've got our product description, we've got our price, everything ready to go, even got the sizing chart in there. High quality imagery, really, really great mock-ups, and now we have these really powerful brands as well. It makes for a really easy way for people to get excited about your products and buy your apparel. So that was Gelato, and again, tons and tons of great brands that you can click through here and start adding to your store and really make that connection with your customer even easier when they see those brands that they love. Still fully print on demand, so there's absolutely zero risk. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Otherwise, make sure you hit the link directly below this video. It's free to sign up, and you're going to get 50% off your first order within 2 days of signing up. Sign up for Gelato, get these branded products in your store. I hope this helps you build a massive print-on-demand business, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.